Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'd like to show you how to make this nice, good, delicious Blondie Brownies. Very easy to make. Follow along and I'll show you how I made this. Okay, we want a stick and a half a stick of butter. Want a cup, 1 cup and 3/4 cups of sugar, and we're going to mix this together. Okay, what we're going to add next, we're going to add 3 eggs. And we'll add 2 at a time. Okay, we're looking for a smooth batter like that. Okay, next we're going to add in 2 cups and a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and we're going to mix this well together. Okay, we're going to add in now 2 half a teaspoon of salt, and then you want a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to add in a cup of white chocolate chips. And then we're just going to mix this well together. Okay, last we forgot to add is a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to transfer this into the pan and scoops. Mix. Okay, we're going to put this into the oven for about 350 Fahrenheit for about 25 to 45 minutes or till it's done. We'll come back and take a look at it. Take a look at that. We're going to let this cool down before we even cut into this, but man, that looks beautiful. It looks good, it smells good. Okay, we're going to have to do is a taste test on this. Alright, we're going to take this one right here, this little small one, and we're going to do it. Oh my god, this is very delicious. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do something, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.